What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Black & Decker Dustbuster handheld vacuum, cordless in blue, model HLV B315JCZ01. I picked up using Amazon Prime for $44.99. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4 out of 5 out of 71 customer reviews. This vacuum does come in 3 different colors. It comes in blue, white, and gray. We have the blue model in front of us here today. Each different color model will be a different model number, so don't be confused or intimidated if the one that you're looking at has a different model number than the one I described here. It simply just denotes color. Looking at the box, it does advertise 2 times more suction power than I am assuming the previous generation. Due to the fact that this box is sort of an orangish color, that means this is more towards the quick clean category. So this is just something that you'll want to keep around your house, just like Dustbusters usually are. Rest assured, this is going to be great for furniture, like I said, stairs, and overall household use. So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and first impressions. We're going to see what comes in the box. In a couple of weeks after I've used this extensively, because we will be using it, then I'll do a review on it. Black & Decker, for the most part, is a pretty trusted brand name. They're a household name. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the box. Okay, so there's like a door on the side. We'll just go ahead and sort of prop it open like so. We'll put it off to the side there. We can pretty much just shake it out like so. And we can see that in the box we get what looks to be this is the brush that comes with the vacuum, the handheld cordless vacuum in blue by Black & Decker. You can get a good idea of the type of bristles or the technology that these bristles are utilizing. Say if the bristles were running straight across, some screws in the corner there holding this plastic together. This is a pretty thick, pretty heavy duty type of plastic, by the way. So to connect it to the vacuum, we'll go ahead and attach it momentarily. Oh, this is some certification and safety information. And then we get our cordless vacuum user manual here. Okay, now time for the main attraction. This is the Black & Decker cordless vacuum in blue. Should be pretty easy to use and to carry around. There's a little pull tab on the front. And then if we actually take our attachment here and slide it on like so, so it's just as simple as yanking it off there. But yeah, we'll have to see just how well it works out after using it for a week. Let's go ahead and see if she turns on. This is lithium-ion battery, and what I can tell you about lithium-ion batteries is, you know, they will degrade over time just like any other battery will. Okay, so far I'm kind of not liking the way that things are snapping into place. They don't really feel that confidence inspiring. There is a little bit of a switch at the top here, so you hold that in and release. It should be as simple as snapping it into place, but as you can see here, now I'm giving it a good yank, and there we go. You kind of have to wiggle it around a little bit and make sure that this button pops back up and into place. And when you do run the vacuum, it does blow out a significant amount of exhaust, I imagine, and I'll probably have to report on this in a couple weeks. As you can tell, it's brand new, so the suction is going to be perfect. But speaking of, you know, the suction cup and everything in the bag, it's actually a filter. So if we just not really liking getting this back into right here, actually right there is like a little peg. What else comes in the box is a charging cable. Looks like to be a pretty decent length. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. Because I picked it up using Amazon Prime, that does make it a convenience good. Yeah, you will get the occasional vacuum cleaner or blender or really anything. I could review a flashlight, doesn't matter. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this content. I will be doing a pair of earbuds if that's something that you're more interested in. We'll be doing that next week. I will be taking the weekend off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick unboxing and first impressions. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. I will see you in the next one.